Broadcast communications organizations Vodafone Germany and Nokia, alongside German vehicle organization Audi and Germany-based researchers and specialists of PT scientists, will accomplish to make a gadget that will offer space explorers 4G web, The Gathering reported Tuesday. This gadget will just weigh around 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds. The paces at which space travelers can ride the web probably won't be basically as quick as they could by means of Wi-Fi, or as quick as possible on Earth. Yet the Moon's versatile organization will permit them to remain associated over more prominent distances. It will permit two meanderers currently on the Moon to discuss straightforwardly with Earth during a side trip on the lunar surface, Live Science reports. The Gathering intends to send off the gadget to the Moon in 2019 on board a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. This venture includes a drastically imaginative way to deal with the improvement of versatile organization framework, Vodafone Germany chief executive Hannes Ametsreiter said in an explanation. This isn't whenever the web first has come to the Moon. Be that as it may, in 2014, MIT engineers carried fast web to the Moon, associated with Earth through laser.